How's it going? Mauricio coming with you guys live once again on these charts today. So we're going to be going over uptrend structure, how to identify uptrend structure. So first, we want to identify on images. We want to know how it is conformed and how it looks like. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here on this side, grab my vertical line. Okay. You can actually also put it as your favorite right here. Put the little star, and it'll come up on this area right there. So you can utilize it every single time you need it. Okay. So on an uptrend structure, it's very important for you to name your structure. You want to know what the name is. You want to know if it's an uptrend structure or downtrend structure. Okay. So right now, we actually see the market's going up, it's going down, it's going up, and it's going down. But what's happening right here? Okay. Well, you guys can see this low point is called a higher low. Okay. This high point right here is called a higher high. Now this high point is also called a higher high. Why is it called a higher high? Okay, it's called a higher high due to the fact that this high point is higher than our previous high. Okay, now so what happened right here? If the market came over here and stopped right here and started retracing and started going back up again, what would this be called? Okay, well this would be called a higher low. Why is it called a higher low? Due to the fact that it's this low point is higher than lower before. Okay, so it's very important for you to identify what is a higher high, what is a higher low on an uptrend structure. Okay, you want to name it every single time you see it. Okay, it's very important for you to name your structure. So therefore, what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to name my structure as my higher highs and my higher lows. Okay, so I put my higher highs, and then I put also my higher lows in the market, just so I can know and see visually what's happening in the market. Okay, it's very important for you to see it visually and not just imagine it's your higher lows and your higher highs. Okay, so that's why I am labeling every single one in the market just so I can identify my structure. Okay, now it's very important for you to name it and see it in the charts. Okay, so right here I'm gonna put my higher low, I'm gonna put my higher low, my higher high, and my higher high. Okay, so one thing you gotta take into consideration when it's an uptrend structure, you always want to put the name higher in front of the next name, which would be higher high, higher low. Okay, as you guys can see, I always have the name higher in front from the next word. The higher in front of the next word. Okay, why is that? Because we are on an uptrend structure. So when we are in an uptrend structure, you always want to put the word higher in front of the next word. Okay, so therefore, I'll see you guys on the next video when we go in detail into the charts.